Hello, it's Mark with the Home Reviewer, and today we're taking a look at this humidifier over here. This is the Breeze Cool humidifier. It's a 3.2 litre tank, okay? So inside of the box over here, we get the humidifier, we get the manual. It actually comes with this handy little remote as well, so you've got a number of functions on here. And then randomly, they had this inside of the humidifier box as well. So let me take this wrapping off and show you this. This is what it actually looks like inside, so it's pretty clear. So let's get all of this off, get rid of this, and then we can take a proper look at what we've got over here. Okay, so this is the actual unit itself. Now on here, on the front, you can see we've got 4 different options on here, okay? So we've got the power button, we've got the humidifier, we've got the colour, and then we've obviously got the timer on here. Now to fill this up, let me take this off here. So the lid, as you can see here, the lid just comes off like so, and then we pour our water into here. So let me just grab this water that I've got over here for you, like so. I'm going to pour this into here. Pretty straightforward and simple. And then obviously I put my lid back on, so let me just double check that. Put that onto here. That there is our lid done. Now I'm just going to put the camera down here for a second for you, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly plug it in and we'll have a quick look at this. So let me undo this like so. I'm going as quick as I can here for you so you can see all of this. So let me unplug that, take off the protective cover, and I'm going to plug it in over here. So there we go. So it's now, let me move this over for you. So we can see now it is actually plugged in. Okay, so really straightforward and simple so far. So let me just open up the manual over here and we'll see how we get this up and running. Okay, so on the front here we've got 4 buttons down at the bottom. So the first one is obviously let me move this down a little bit. So let's turn it on. So there we go, and you can see the colour in there, and literally it's just kicked in straight away. So you can also see down here as well, it gives you this dial on the front. So it's currently set to mist level 2, and also you could see, hopefully you can see, let me see if I can do that again for you. You can actually change how much mist is coming out, and you've got a mist percentage on here, which is pretty cool. So 0 mist, level 1, level 2, and level 3. And when it goes up to level 3, it's really kicking out some mist. Let me see if I can move this up for you, so you can see that. Pretty cool, isn't it? And then we've got the LED light going on. Now on here, I can change this. I can set my timer on here. But realistically, you know, the remote control that comes with it, you can actually just operate everything using this over here. So let me open this really quickly. Hopefully it'll have some batteries in so I can show you this. Yeah, look at that. I'll just take that one out there. So let's go ahead and press the LED button. So I can change the different colours of LED on there. I can put the timer on here. So if I want the timer on, I can play around with this. I can add to the timer so you know how long I want it on for. And then I can go down there, and then again I can change the actual mist levels directly with this. So it's pretty good. And then I like the fact that, you know, you can play around with the LEDs. You can just leave it on if you want or not. But I've not seen one of these before with a remote whereby you can control the actual amount of mist that's coming out of that. So I'll put it on level 1, level 2, and then level 3. But yeah, 3.2 litres for this, and it's really simple. So you know, for cleaning and everything, we just pop the lid off, give it a clean, and then I'm guessing that is what we've got these little things over here for, this citric acid, to go ahead and give it a clean. But yeah, the operating instructions were very simple. I mean, I'll show you that really quickly so you can see, but it is literally open up the lid, add in your water, and then press the on off button. And then once you've done that, you can decide, you know, the mist, which level you want it on. You can go ahead and set a timer on here if you really want to, and then you've got the LED, which comes with 4 different colour changes, or 4 different colour options, and that's pretty much it. And then you've got some, you know, troubleshooting things down here. But overall, pretty happy with this. So yeah, that's today's video. We'll see you in the next one.